So 2024 is almost over. Today is the last day of the year. So I'm going to clean up a bit of electronic components for my DIY projects. As you can see, the components I have are very messy. And these are just a few of the electronic components I am using. There are many more boxes like this. I bought these components a long time ago. Many of them I don't remember what they are anymore. We'll probably need to check the specs of these components carefully if using them in future projects. Oh, what is this? It's a Ledger Nano S cold wallet. I honestly don't remember how long I left it there and how many bitcoins are in it. I will try to connect this cold wallet to my computer to check if it still works or not. Oh, it looks like the screen is broken. Can't see the characters or any information clearly with a screen like this anymore. Okay, now I will try to fix it by replacing a new screen. The cold wallet screen is connected to the motherboard via cable. So, you will need to disconnect the screen cable from the motherboard first. Okay, it's not difficult to disconnect the screen from the motherboard. You just need to remove the black retaining clip on the motherboard, and you're done. And this is a new monitor. Its price is relatively cheap, and you can buy it on e-commerce sites like Amazon or AliExpress. Repeat the steps in reverse order to remove the screen. Reconnect the display cable to the motherboard, and press down on the black latch to secure it. I will try reconnecting the computer to see what happens. Here we go. Looks like it's back to normal. Next step, I will reassemble everything back to the way it was. Pay attention to the two buttons. Install carefully and make sure these two buttons work properly. Finally, reattach the back cover and protective case. Everything is back to normal. And now, I'll do a final check by reconnecting to the computer to see how the monitor works. The camera screen here is a bit out of focus, so it may be a bit difficult for you to follow. Okay, looks better. Sorry for the inconvenience. The two keys seem to work fine now. So that's it. Now I'm going to check in this wallet to see if I can become a Bitcoin billionaire. But first I need to remember the password of this cold wallet. Can you guess how many Bitcoins I have in this cold wallet? Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.